Hey there, folks. Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to boost your website's visibility and drive more traffic to your site, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to talk about the power of link building and why it's crucial for your website's success. Stay tuned. So, what is link building? Simply put, it's the process of getting other websites to link back to your website. But why is it so important? When search engines like Google crawl the web, they look for links between websites. The more high-quality links you have pointing to your site, the more likely you are to rank higher in search engine results pages, or SERPs. That means more visibility, more credibility, and ultimately, more traffic to your site. But it's not just about quantity. Quality matters too. Getting links from trustworthy, authoritative sites in your niche can give your website a big boost. Think of it like a vote of confidence from an industry expert. The more votes you get, the more legitimate your website becomes in the eyes of search engines. Now, how do you get these links? One way is to create amazing content that people want to link to. Produce high-quality, informative, and engaging material that solves problems or answers questions. People will naturally want to share it with others, and that includes linking to it from their own websites. Another way is to reach out to other websites in your niche and ask for a link. This can be done through guest blogging, broken link building, or even offering free resources in exchange for a link. Just remember, always focus on quality over quantity, and never pay for links that's against the rules. Finally, monitor your website's performance regularly. Keep track of your rankings, traffic, and most importantly, your backlinks. Use tools like Ahrefs or SEOPOWERSUITE to analyze your link profile and identify opportunities for growth. And there you have it, folks. Link building is a crucial part of any successful digital marketing strategy. Follow these insider tips and tricks, and watch your website thrive. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.